In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer on Mailchimp. The footer of your email is more important than it might look at first glance. It's where people find your company details, your branding message, and most importantly, legally required information like your unsubscribe link. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to find, edit, and safely customize your footer inside Mailchimp. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand panel and click on Campaigns. This will open a list of all your campaigns. Find the campaign whose footer you want to change. On the right side of that campaign's row, you'll see an Edit button. Go ahead and click that to open the campaign. You'll now see an overview page for your campaign. Here, Mailchimp shows things like who the email is going to, who it's from, the subject line, send time, and content, with a visual preview of the email on the right. Move your mouse over that preview, and at the bottom of it, you'll see an option called Edit Design. Click Edit Design to open the email editor. Inside the editor, scroll down through your email until you reach the very bottom, where the footer is. Click on that section to select it. You'll know you've got the right area when you see a small label that says Footer in the top left corner of the section. Within this footer block, you can customize a lot of information. You can update your company name so it matches your current branding. You can change your address if your office has moved, or adjust any explanatory text you include there. You might also add a short branding message or tagline, or tweak other pieces of text to better fit your tone and style. However, there are some elements you must not remove. Mailchimp requires an unsubscribe link, which is usually represented by a placeholder code, and you must include a physical address or other valid contact information. These aren't just Mailchimp preferences, they're tied to anti-spam laws, so make sure those items stay in place even as you customize the wording around them. To edit any existing block in your footer, simply click on it. If it's a heading or a paragraph, you can type directly in the preview area. When a block is selected, extra settings for that block appear in the panel on the left, where you can adjust things like alignment, style, or other options. If you want to add more content to your footer, look for the Add button on the far left sidebar. Clicking that lets you drag new blocks, like text or images, into the footer area. When you're happy with your changes, go to the top right of the editor. You have two main options. You can send a test email to yourself to see how the footer looks in your inbox, or you can click Save and Exit to keep your changes and return to the campaign overview. Make sure everything looks correct and your updated footer is ready to go.